In this video, we are discussing DataNodes recovery. We know that data nodes are actual nodes where the data will be stored. So how this data will be recovered whenever there will be some fault in the data nodes. We know that data node supports replication. That means the same data will be replicated onto multiple data nodes situated on the same or different racks. So that's why whenever the data loss possibility will come, we can also access the data from its replica. But whenever the recovery is required, then how to do the recovery? Data nodes will get the information or instruction from the name nodes, and accordingly the data node will perform. And data nodes are consisting of multiple commodity hardwares. So that's why the hardware cost will be low and the data storing cost will be also low. Data nodes are responsible to send the health report to the respective name node, and these health reports will be sent to the name node periodically, and the typical duration is each 3 seconds the data node will be sending their health reports to the name node. So let us go for on more discussions on this topic. So here you can find, here we are having data node, that is another data node and containing different blocks of information. So data node backup. The data nodes are used to hold the main data, and the data nodes are some commodity hardware to hold data, and commodity hardware means cheap hardware nodes or computers. So it uses data blocks to store data in different parts, and we can get the health report of the data node, and the health reports will be sent to the name nodes periodically after regular time interval. There is another functionality called the block scanner. So that is another functionality is there called the block scanner, and it is used to scan the data node health, and if the block scanner returns many error report, we should change the system before it is getting crashed. So this block scanner will send the health report of the data nodes, and if you find that there are so many erroneous reports are getting generated against the data nodes, so before it getting crashed, we can replace that one or we can repair that one. So Hadoop FSCK command can be used to repair the respective file system. So we can use the Hadoop command to repair the file system before it is getting crashed totally and permanently. So that's why in this way we can do the backup and the recovery of our data nodes. Thanks for watching this video.